Now, whether you need to service your rear brakes or you're trying to swap out that rear tire, you're going to need to be able to remove the rear wheel on your PCX 150. And while it looks a little bit intimidating, it's pretty straightforward. Here's how you get it done. Now your first step is going to be to make sure your scooter's on its center stand and that it's stable. Next, we're going to need to remove your exhaust. Start by removing the two 10mm nuts that bolt the header pipe to the engine. Next, remove the three 14mm bolts that bolt the silencer to the chassis. Then, pull the whole assembly off. Next, we're going to need to remove the axle nut. Now to do this, you're going to need a 24mm socket. And the best tool for the job is an impact driver. But if you don't have access to an impact driver, you can use a breaker bar and an assistant. Just have your assistant sit on the back of the scooter to apply pressure to the rear wheel and hold the brake lever. This will hold the rear wheel still and allow you to break the axle nut free. Last, we're going to remove your swing arm. You can do this by removing the two 14mm bolts and the 12mm shock bolts. Now you can remove the 5mm hex bolt that holds the fender shield in place. Move the fender shield up and remove the rear wheel. With your rear wheel removed, you can now service your rear brake or replace that old rear tire. If you want to learn more about changing scooter tires, check out my video here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if it helped you out, or if you have suggestions for future episodes of Scooter 911, leave me a comment below. Remember, a scooter is just a bucket of bolts, and the people who work on them aren't smarter than you. So until next time, keep it shiny side up.